What's up, YouTubers? Here in a Subaru, I'm going to show you where to find your paint code in case you're trying to get touch-up paint to fix up some scratches. So what you want to do, your paint code could be located in one of three places. The first place I would check is going to be on your passenger side. You're going to open the door and you're going to come over to the bottom right over here where you will be able to locate most likely your color code right over here. My color code is TAP, but this is where you find the color code for your Subaru. The alternate, you might be able to locate the color code on the driver's side. Again, you could come over here. It will be good to have your VIN number on hand. Right here where my thumb is the VIN number. Occasionally you'll find it on this sticker, but if not on that sticker, last potential place where you could find it is you open your hood. It might be a sticker indicating a color code on your strut towers. I don't have that, but you may find it there. Like, share, subscribe. See you on the next one.